Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's Brady, and today we're gonna check out an amazing 1970 Z28 Camaro. They don't come much nicer than this one as far as paint, body, chrome, interior, drivability. I mean, this very special car. It is a real Z28, and I'll show you on the trim tag here in a minute how you can tell that on the 70s. The big thing with this is just condition. I mean, it's an absolute trailer queen, you know, of a car. Paint, body, interior, all the way around, which is very nice. You can even see there on the firewall just how all painted gloss black. Paint on the inner fenders is show quality. And the video and pictures are not gonna do this car justice. It's just, you gotta come see it, you gotta look around the edges, and you're gonna be blown away. Power steering, power brakes with front disc. It is a built 327 with great power, 4-speed manual transmission. Here's the factory trim tag, if I can get a good shot of that. So this is a Norwood built car, and on the 70 Camaros built in Norwood plant, 28 will mean Z28, and then 19 means it came with black SS stripes, or black Z28 stripes, sorry, from the factory. If it was built in LA, it would not have that, but because this is a Norwood built car, you can verify a real Z28 right there on the trim tag, which is awesome. So real deal Z28, and just amazing condition. Bottom side of the hood is beautiful. It's a great shine.
We're losing some sun.
We're losing a little bit of sun. The paint quality is, you know, absolute show quality, show winner. All the chrome and brightwork on it is, you know, to a very high level, all brand new. The guy that owned this has a lot of really nice classics, and he's just so particular. Like on this car, the bumpers and some of the chrome started to pit just a tiny bit, and he replaced everything with all brand new chrome. The paint, like I said,
it was done amazing, man. This is probably the best paint I've seen on a car in a very long time.
It still looks wet. Great gaps, extremely straight up and down the sides. Hood fit is perfect. All the glass is crystal clear. And then, I don't know if you'll be able to get a good look, but on the top of the dash, even the paint on the top of the dash is, you know, perfect. Just really nice gloss, black paint. Over the roof is awesome.
It's such a cool color of red too. I feel like you don't really see like this type of red very often.
Oh, it's beautiful. All the door gaps are great. And then even when you look at the door jambs, I mean, that paint still looks wet. I mean, this is no cheap paint job, that's for sure. Rust-free corner of the doors. Door rubbers are new. Bottom side of the door is perfect.
Dude, it's brand new.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this car. I always love the 70 to 73 Camaro, 70s, you know, more so. And this one just came in and I just fell in love right away.
Yeah.
The guy just put all new retro sound radio and speakers in it. So it Bluetooths right to your phone, has a great sound. Clutch is great. We'll get into all that when we drive it, but dash pad and dash, that's all in excellent condition. Seats are perfect. Carpet's new. Headliner's great. Dome light works. Back seats are excellent. And there's just really nothing I would change, you know, on this car.
Another thing to compliment is I love how they went with the big wheels and the smaller tires. I think the big chrome just really makes it pop.
Yep, and see, somebody's gonna say different. You know, I love the wheel and tire setup. So does Brady. If you're a guy that likes stock wheels, then put stock wheels on it and you still have a #1 condition Camaro. You know, that's the cool thing with wheels and tires, is they're easy to change.
It's personal preference, but
yeah, but I love the stance and the wheels and tires on this.
That's how I would have it.
Yeah, me too. I like how the exhaust comes out just as it should there. It's kind of tucked up underneath the rear quarter. Very, very straight body. And I like the short spoiler. You could get two spoilers. You can get the short one, or you can get the kind of the duckbill, the high spoiler. I really like this one. Again, all the bumpers and chrome, brand new. I mean, just the way everything fits, and just the paint quality. It's not going to come through on the camera as nice as it is in person, I'm sure, but this is one where You just got to take our word for it, buy it, and you'll be. Yeah. It'll be nicer than you think it is when you 100%. Get it. You want to pop the trunk because that's really nice as well.
Yeah, we will.
And nothing's perfect. Even this car that's super, super nice, we might not be able to find an imperfection in this video, but I'm not saying that it's perfect because nothing is. But no, exactly. This is about as nice
can get. Right?
Yeah, it is. Got maybe a little scuff here that'll buff right out, but door, laser straight, just a mirror, you know, the
oh wow,
it's got a mirror finish, and just all the jams are great.
This car never stops.
No, it's nice, isn't it, Brady? Probably we have a lot of really nice cars out of our inventory, but in my opinion, this is probably the nicest one we have right now. You know, overall, and it's got really good power too. Yeah, door fits good, really straight up and down the sides. I mean, you can see reflection anywhere in the car. With the RS is not designated on the trim tag on any of the 70 Camaros. Z28 is, being that 28 code. RS is not, but a lot of times you can tell a fake split bumper versus an original RS if it has these lights up here. A lot of times, you know, people will put a split bumper on them, but they won't change the marker lights, you know, which on a non-RS car will be below the bumper. So that's a pretty good tell, because not a lot of people change out that whole front clip, you know, if they're gonna clone it. So definitely 100% original Z28. RS is hard to tell, but most likely it's the original RS Z28. Door jamb paint's perfect. Corner of the door. Door panel. Kind of the whole 9 yards. And all I can really say is whoever buys this is getting a hell of a car, and they're going to be extremely impressed with the condition and quality of it. Does have factory tack.
Even up here on this.
Yeah,
is pretty cool too.
The little things on an old car tell you a lot about it.
Exactly.
Things like this, you know, just how they repainted that to such a high standard. It starts really easy every time. The tack works. Really good sounding dual exhaust. Horn works.
It idles great too. I kind of didn't.
Wipers were great.
Idle great, but it idles amazing.
Yeah, some
lower RPM.
Radio works good.
Oh yeah.
Funny. It's a nice car, man. I love it. So reverse goes into gear really easy for reverse, but we're not going to go in reverse. We're going to go in first. And just you can tell everything's just fresh on it. You know, the clutch feels really good, and it's not some cars you'll get that performance clutch where it's really stiff, and you know, kind of by the end of the day driving it, your calf's straining. Yeah. This one's just a really nice, easy clutch.
That's always nice to have too, especially if you're driving it a lot. And also, I don't know if we mentioned, the headliner is also super nice and tight too.
It is. Everything about this car is just nice. It's almost so nice where I don't really want to do a burnout in it, but I gotta be able to. I know, I gotta show you what it can do, but I'm gonna be nice to it because it's just such a nice car. And what a great exhaust sound. It's not too loud, it's not hot roddy, it's just a nice, crisp sound. But it still definitely is quick.
Oh, 100%.
Here's your brakes, no hands on the wheel, stop perfectly straight. The gas gauge works. The temp gauge we'll check on here in a minute. Speedometer and the tack work. Odometer reads 51,124 miles. And it's always really hard to tell, but the car looks like it's got all original floors and stuff underneath, so very well could be a 50,000 original mile car, but it is hard to say. Good pull. It goes into gear. It's got a really nice pattern. Go synchro down here into third. It's second. Synchros are really good on the transmission. Then we go down into first.
He likes it.
This guy likes it. It'd go along good with his red truck.
It would.
I told Dave, because he's got somebody very interested in it. Today's Friday. And I said, I'm hoping he doesn't sell it today, because I was really looking forward to cruising in this thing this weekend. It's just such a nice car to drive, you know?
Yeah.
Let's say if you just want to drive it nice,
Yeah,
you can do that too. Tack works. Just a sweetheart. Suspension, steering, all that feels really good. Shift down into second, down into first. We'll get on it one last time before we put it away. Definitely got really good power. We hit a couple bumps there, so that wasn't the car's fault. That was just a few bumps, but in sweetheart of a car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. If you like it, give us a call. We can make it yours. I guarantee you'll love the car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.